Hey there, welcome back to the channel. I'm glad you're here. Today we're going to explore the word provecho in depth. First, the definition. Provecho means a Spanish expression wishing someone enjoyment of their meal. Think of it simply as a friendly phrase like bon appetit. Now let's talk about where this word comes from. Origin stories can be fascinating. Provecho traces back to provecho, comes from the Latin word profectus, meaning progress or benefit. Over time, it's been used by Spanish speakers as a polite mealtime wish. The word has carried through history and still shows up today in surprising ways. So, how do you use provecho in everyday language? Let's go through some examples. Correct example 1. After serving dinner, she said provecho to everyone at the table. Correct example 2. He smiled and said provecho as his friends started eating. And just for fun, here's a playful wrong example. I tried to provecho my homework, but it didn't go well. See how context makes a big difference? Using provecho correctly helps your meaning come across clearly, while using it wrong can sound confusing or just funny. Quick recap. Provecho means a Spanish expression wishing someone enjoyment of their meal. It comes from the Latin word profectus, meaning progress or benefit, and you can use it in sentences like the ones we shared. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Try writing your own sentence with provecho down in the comments. Get creative. And if you found this helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us for more word deep dives every day.